This is my first time trying Calabaza Pumpkin. Let's go ahead and create Calabaza soup together. What we're doing right here is we're going to go ahead and peel the outer layer, the tough skin, and I would advise to go ahead and cut it in half or in fourths because the skin is tough. Dice the pumpkin, okay? Dice it how you prefer. And I just wanted to show you that I gave a little to my bunnies because they love pumpkins too. Come on now, so cute. And look, they devoured all of that. This is Mimi right here. Anyway, let's go ahead and place this in a slow cooker. You see that? And I will provide the seasonings. Let's go ahead and add pepper flakes, ground pepper, paprika, garlic powder, sea salt, Cajun seasoning, taco/chili seasoning, Italian seasoning, and cayenne pepper. So good.
A trumpet sings like a bird in flight. Twirl me closer under the moon tonight. The waves keep time with the music's tied. In this carnival we've nothing to hide. Let the melody.
Now I am adding my favorite cheese, which is Daya cheese. It's vegan cheese. You use whatever cheese you like. This is the Mexican blend. I also have mozzarella cheese in here. I also have spring mix and cilantro in here. Delish. As you can see, we're going to go ahead and dice up some potatoes, and I do keep the skin. You can peel the skin if you want. And this is what it looks like. I also added the same seasonings that I added to the pumpkin. Go ahead and incorporate it in the slow cooker. Mix it around. And yes, you're going to add milk. You're going to add milk until you see the milk protruding from the potatoes as well as the pumpkins. Diced tomatoes, add it to your slow cooker and go ahead and give it a nice stir like that. Now you see what we're looking like. This is what we are looking like. You're going to go ahead and cook this for 4 hours. I also decided to add some organic black beans. This is just the taco seasoning that I incorporated. And this is what it looks like after you cook it. Watch it every hour. But my goodness, sour cream. When I tell you this is delicious, this is delicious. And you should see the seasoning, okay? If you don't see your seasoning, you didn't do it right. I just want you to know that you did not do it right if you don't see any seasoning. Enjoy.